Welcome to the DashMagiq DLP workflow demo. In this demo, we are going to see how DashMagiq will help remediate data loss incidents efficiently. DashMagiq can work with DLP or CASB solutions. In this specific demo, we are going to use Symantec DLP as the data loss prevention software. In this example, we are going to look at how an incident is going to get remediated in ABC Corp's finance department. John, who is the finance manager, will send out the monthly sales report to an outsider, which will trigger DLP to create an incident. As per the company policy, all data loss incidents should be investigated by his or her manager, which in this case is Ben. However, the company policy also mandates that only a person of deputy vice president or higher designation is authorized to investigate data loss incidents. Therefore, in this case, DashMagiq will create a workflow task and assign it to Chris, who is the deputy vice president in the finance department. Chris approves the incident and submits his investigation report. The workflow task is then routed to Brad, the department head, for final review and approval. DashMagiq is capable of using multi-level workflows, and in this demo, we have used a two-level workflow scenario. In this scenario, the first level task is getting assigned to the manager, and the second level is getting assigned to the department head. Now let's see the demo to understand how DashMagiq works in this scenario. First, let me switch to John's email and send a mail to someone outside the organization. I will attach the monthly sales report, which is a confidential report as per ABC Corp's DLP policy. Now, let me check the DLP console and see if any incident has been logged by DLP. We see that a new incident for John has been captured by DLP and the DLP incident ID is 2169. I will now open the incident and you would notice that the status of this incident is new and all the incident details are as seen in any standard DLP incident. There are no changes to the DLP incident till now. Very soon, DashMagiq will start processing the incident. Now, let's open the mailbox of John's manager, Chris, and check if DashMagiq has notified him of the incident with a workflow task. We see that Chris has just received an email from DashMagiq. The email notification has limited content like incident ID, the person who generated the incident, and the policy that got violated. It also has a link to view more information. Let me click the Incident Details link to open the DashMagiq Incident Details screen. I need to log in as Chris using his Windows authentication credentials to load the DashMagiq Incident Details screen. Notice that all the incident details we saw in the DLP console are presented here in a user-friendly format. The manager can investigate the incident by clicking the DashMagiq Workflow button. The manager can use the View Artifact button to view the sensitive data that was intercepted by DLP and identified as a policy violation incident. The violation text is the sensitive information, which in this demo scenario is credit card SOW proposal. The manager can also click the file name link to download the attachments of original emails sent by John. Chris decides to classify this incident as an event as John is not allowed to send such reports to an outsider. Chris clicks Next and is presented with 5 questions about the event. Chris responds to the questions with appropriate answers and clicks Next to proceed. Chris then provides his investigation results to his senior for incident review. He selects his department head from the drop-down and clicks Next. Before submitting the report, he reviews the summary of the information that will go to the next level through the workflow. After reviewing the info, he submits the form. As soon as the form is submitted, the workflow task becomes read-only for the manager and automatically gets assigned to the next level. In this demo scenario, Brad, the head of finance department, is the next level manager. Let's now switch to Brad's inbox. DashMagiq has automatically sent Brad an email notifying him about the DLP incident and the review that he must complete. This email message informs that the incident was last approved by Chris and includes basic incident details. Brad clicks on the incident details link and opens the DashMagiq incident details screen. He goes through the details of the incident and the responses submitted by Chris, the Level 1 manager. Brad clicks the DashMagiq workflow button to proceed. Brad responds to the questions provided in the questionnaire and clicks Next. Brad is able to provide his final comments. He could have rejected the Level 1 manager's inputs and sent the task back to Chris for further investigation. However, in this case, he agrees with Chris's report and approves it. Brad confirms the details in the summary screen by clicking Next and submits the form. The status of this workflow task is now changed to Resolved, and it has been set to Read Only. Let's now switch to DLP console and see if the incident has been updated in DLP as well. DashMagiq has automatically updated the incident status to Resolved, and all the responses given by the Level 1 manager and the department head are updated as custom attributes of this DLP incident. DashMagiq connector thus enables speedy and systematic incident remediation through a user-friendly automated workflow for incident handling without using the DLP console. The process is completely automated, and incident responses taken from the managers using simple questionnaires completes the workflow task. Apart from the features shown in this demo, DashMagiq has a powerful reminder and escalation feature. DashMagiq can be configured to send reminders, and if the reminders are ignored and responses are not logged within the given time, DashMagiq can also record the problem and automatically escalate to the next levels. Thanks for watching this demo. For any information on DashMagiq, please contact Vidya Tech.